Hello, good morning once again. It's Richard Dupey here. Today is 5th July 2022. Today, I don't know. I'm really confused. The confusion is on choosing the event that I have to use today. That is the confusion. But very soon I will show you, and then you guys will know the reason why I'm confused. The reason why I'm confused. First, let me take you to one of the confirmation in this one is in national. This one is in national 2010 watch 53. Last 2 weeks, excuse me, last 3 weeks or so, I used the same plan and only the banker drop. But it's now that the main thing has set, the actual thing that I said before, it usually drops. It's now that the thing has set. So I hope today we win just that too short, just free virus today. That is all what I'm praying for. In 2010, this 53 play. This 53, then 3 is the 1, 2, 3. Then the 53 will have to jump and play with 76 to give you your two shot. That is the two shot for today. One. That is one of the confirmation. Let's go to the Tuesday paper itself. It's Tuesday's plan. It's Tuesday's plan. This is one of the confirmation. I will explain to you the reason why I said I'm confused. This is the first set in 2009. 53 play position. Last position and play with 20 position. Then following week the 17. This is the first setting, so you will notice what I'm talking about. This is it. Either this 17 play or it counter 62. 17 or it counter 62. One of them, or maybe both of them. If they play, then you know that the plan has really set. Then they play 21 in machine. So following week, this 53 would have to jump and play with 76. That is the plan. This 53 will play 17 or 62. One of them will play, or both of them. As those numbers play, then following week the 53 will jump and then play with 76. But this particular one, they play 20 at position, 53 at position, 21 in machine, 17. So following week, 53 will have to jump and play with 76. That is our two shot. I'm supposed to have been using this particular event. That is the reason why I said I'm confused on the event to use. Because you notice that this one played 2 position at position. Following week before the 17 play and even play machine number 21. So this 53 would have to jump and play with 76. Usually when 40 plays, 40 usually repeat. It's also on the event. It's not like the repetition that is making me not to choose it though. But if you want to say they played 2 numbers last week on the event, that is 30-40, you will notice that 53 play first before they play the 30-40. So it's left with only 11 and 76. 11 and 76. That becoming the two shot on the event. But because the banker is 53, I can't choose the event saying that they've played almost 3 numbers on the event. But the banker is 53. So choosing this event will make like you are saying that 3 numbers play and then the 3 all should repeat. But at the same time, this 30-40, 40 usually repeat whenever he plays. So it's also good. This event is also good. But that is not what I'm using. Let me take you to the second one. The one that is also creating another confusion in my brain. Let me take you to that one. That one is also in 2011. That is the another confirmation. That is the second. After that particular one set, this is the second one. In 2011 event 198, you see 90 play first. Following week 53 will play with 62. That is the 62 over there. the 53 will play with 62 because yes sir, because the 62 will not play with the 52 will not the 62 will not play with the 17, so he played the 17 alone. That's why he plays ahead the 17 with the 53. So as the 17 play following straight, the 53 should jump and play with the 76 to give you the two shot 53 76. So you notice that the first one that I showed you in 2009, the 17 play with the 62, but here it leaves them and play only the 17 to play with the number. Okay, when that number play where I won it, there is one that I didn't see. That is also confirming the same plan. I didn't see that one that day when the thing happened. So after the number dropped before, I noticed it. This one is in 2017. 2017 is in machine. This one they played the 53. There's also another confirmation just to prove that when the 53 play, supposed to jump and play with the 76. So this one, you see that event 528, 53 play 3 use the 1, 2, 3. Then the 53 jump and play with the 76. The same two shot. This one I didn't see it when it set in 2018. I didn't see it. So it set in 2009, moved to 2011, then morning, and then 2018, then it set, and I won it in 2018 too sure. So here I'm using here as the main plan for today, the main event for today. Just because I'm confused, I don't know when usually this plan set. First is set and then play, second is set and then play, and then third. You usually have to go back to the first one and use the first one's event. That is what I wanted to use, but playing two numbers on the event over there, that is what is giving me confusion. And here also you will understand why I'm using this event also very soon. Here in 2018 event 551, 56 play first before following week 45 play at center. Then he played three numbers, that is 72, 20 and then 53. 72, 20 and 53. So you notice that the first one and this one are playing the same thing. The first one played 20 and then 53. This one is also playing 20, 72 and 53. So after he plays, then he puts 38 in machine. 38 is at position. That is second position. Then following week machine number 78 also at fourth position. So I told you it's either 62 or the morning 62 or the 17 that plays, because the 62 did not play over here, so it's supposed to play by force. But here it did not add the 17. That's why the 62 played the counter of the 17. So following week, the 53 will have to jump and play with the 76. And then here it comes with the counter, saying 8. So when you check on the event, the reason why I'm using that one, you will see it over here. The first one I showed you, I told you that the 20 play with 53 close, that is position. 20 play at fourth position, and then this current 20 play at fourth position, and then 53 play at last position before the 17 play. So as the 17 play, then the 53 will have to jump and play with the 76. But as you can see on the first event that I showed you, the 30-40 play last week, so it's making, when you want to do picking on the event, that the event is picking numbers to play, you notice that 53 play first before it play the 30-40. So the numbers that remain will be 11 and then 76. That's why I'm not using that event. So the second one also that I showed you, that is the one in 2011, 90 play before 53 and then 62 before the 17 play. So when you come here, you will see that the 90 play first before 90 play first before the 72 and then the 53 before the 17 play. So 62 and then the 53, I'm sorry, 62 and then 53. So following 17 play. So the 53 has to jump and play with the 76. Okay, if those numbers are playing like that, then let's go to the main one, the main plan that I'm using today. That is the one that I marked with the red over there. So you will see that event 770 at current 770, 56 play first, then 40 play at center, 45 play at center. Then following week 72, 20 and 53 will play. Then they play 38 at position in machine. That is second position. Then 78 will also play at fourth position, also in machine. So instead of the 62 to play here with the 17, the 62 already played. So I did not play with the 17. So you only play the 17 for you, so that it makes you aware that the 53, 76 will play. Too short. So 56, 76 will drop here and then join the singing 8 to give you the 3 numbers for today. That is singing 8. That is the event here. Singing 8, 53 and then 76. Singing 8, 53 and 76 to give you, that is the 3 numbers. Let me also show you something small. It's also at the current here. It's playing. It's also doing the same thing that you'll be surprised about. You notice that this one I didn't mark it with red, but just follow it. You see 24 play first and then put 53 on top of it. It's the same thing here. 24 play and then put 53 heading it, but this one is going up, this one is coming down. So as he played the 53 play, then 3 weeks up, 1, 2, 3, the same 53 and 76. The 3 weeks jumping, 1, 2, 3, then the same 53 and then 76. The same thing over here. 24 play first, then 53. Following week 1, 2, 3. The 53 will have to jump and play with 76. The same here. 24, 53, 1, 2, 3. 53 will have to jump and play with the 76. So the event I'm using today is this particular event. Event 555. Event 555. Numbers on the event are 48, 53, singing 8, 14 and then 76. I'm going over it again. Event 555. Numbers on the event are 48, 53, singing 8, 14 and then 76. Those are the numbers I'm using for today. For the plan not to be too long and everything not to be too long, I'm ending it here. Thank you very much for being here, and I hope we win this particular plan. That is what I wanted us to win last 3 weeks ago. That was when I used the 53 over here, 3 weeks down to the 53 only jump and then leave the 76. But this one is now that the 17 plays, so we are on it today. Thank you very much for being here. Bye for now.